Hey, welcome everyone. In this video, we'll show how to attach a EBS volume in Windows machine. So first of all, you have to go to your AWS console, and from here you have to go your EC2 dashboard. Now from here, you have to go to running instances and choose the Windows instance. Click the Windows instance and click connect. Which you have to choose RDP, download the desktop file and save. Now open your RDP file. Now here you can see your remote connection is now trying to connect your server. So here I log in my RDP. Then if you don't have the RDP password or you are logging the first time, then you have to download you have to need your key pair and click get password, and you have to upload your private key. In my case, which is Windows RDS. This is your key pair which you was selected during the EC2 creation. Now I am selecting my private key and click decrypt. Here is my password. Click password and now open the file again. If in my case the password is not asking, then okay, just try to sign out. So for the first time, if you are trying to connect the VM using RDP, you are seeing something like this. Then you have to click on connect. Then you go to your Windows machine dashboard, click connect, and click on RDP and click get password. Upload your PIM key. Here is your RDS key pair. Here is the password. Click paste and click OK. Click connect. And I can see this is your desktop. Right now I'm clicking my computer, this PC. See, there is one partition currently in your attached to your VM. Now I'm trying to attach a EBS volume in my Windows EC2. For this you have to go to your EC2 dashboard, and here you can find the volume, and here is your available EBS volume in your region. Now see, in the volume state portion you have to see one option is available. Other 4 EBS are attached to a VM. Then this one is available for use. Now select this volume, click option, here click attach volume. Now why are you going to attach an instance, right? And click the instance, and this is your available instance. What we are want to attach with this Windows machine, right? But why this machine never listed here, not listed here? Because there is a reason that this volume is carried on East US A1. Here this EC2 machine is running on your, where is your AZ? Mm, I'll click the instances, select instance, and here this machine is running on East US, US East E1E. So for this you have to create a new EBS in your, that easy. I am going to create one new volume here. Create volume. I am using 30 GB and US East 1E. Right, I am creating the quick and EBS. Then now here is my 1E. Yes, this is available for use. Click option, attach volume. Now click. Now you can see your Windows EBS is running. Select attach volume. Right, now you can see this volume is in use. Which instances? Your Windows EBS. Right, this is the instance name. Go back to your Windows instances console. Click. You can see here is your Windows instance name and is the ID. Now go back to your Windows desktop RDP. Right click here and you can see here is the option disk management. Click on here and see that you can see there is a new option available here, which is unknown 30 GB disk 1 offline. First you have to click on the make it online. Right click and click online. Now your disk is now not initiated and unknown, and here right click an option that no option is available right now. First of all you need to initialize disk. Right click on the disk one and click initialize disk. Here your the volume is going to initialize. Click disk 1, here is the disk name, and click GPT. Listen that the GPT partition style is not recognized by all previous Windows, right? Somehow if you are going to use old Windows version, that message is for that all other old Windows may be not supported GPT partition table. So I am using the latest version. Click OK. Now your disk is online and it's called unallocated. Now you have all options available here. Click simple volume. Click next. Next. You can any disk later here. I am going to D. Click next. Now here is your format options. I am going to choose NFTS, NTFS, and all other options I keep default. Right. Next, click finish. Now go back to your my disk PC folder. You can see you have new partition available here, or disk name new volume D. This is 30 GB space available. Now click on there. You can click store any file here or create any file here, and I'm clicking any folder. That's it. Now you can learn how to attach a EBS volume here.